In Matrix, we have a tab called Resources. In Resources, you can see your allocation a year in advance. This will give you an excellent insight into your team and the allocation rates. You can see that Emmett is over-allocated for the entire year, while Maddie needs some attention from January and Martin needs some attention from May. Therefore, they're under-allocated during these periods. You can view this on a monthly basis as shown here, or switch to a daily or weekly view. In the weekly view, you can see that Maddie has 15 allocated hours, but has actually worked 25. If you need to make adjustments, go to the project, navigate to the team, and modify the allocation for each member there. You can allocate time from resources, but it's only for activity types. You select an employee, choose the activity types like internal administration, set the start and end dates, and then log it either as a percentage per business day or as total hours across the range. You can also add a note here if you wish. You can export it as a PDF